Hey guys, so quick video for you, and we can reset the Hotpoint washing machine. I was looking everywhere, even on what you can do to like reset it, and what I found out is how to reset is that you're gonna like completely unplug it from the power outlet for about, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes, even 2 hours, or even overnight. So first just try like 5 minutes and then plug it back in if it's going to work out. If not, just plug it out for the whole night and then just try to start it up in the morning if it's going to work out. And you want to like even try to do try to reset arrow first. To do this, turn the washer off, then disconnect power about 20 seconds. Next, reconnect the power, then open and close the lid 5 or more times with 12 seconds in the first 30 seconds of power up. So try also this. Reconnect power, then open and close the lid 5 or more times within 12 seconds. And try it out again.